One thing has always remained constant in the forex market: the winners continue to be winners and the losers continue to be losers. Guys, I have uncovered something: habits of trader when they approach the market, forex market. What makes the winning trader to continue winning, and what makes the losing traders to continue losing? It has been uncovered that winning traders have one thing in common, which I will be revealing in this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your boy Olamide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the bad habit that has kept me unprofitable, and how I am looking to outgrow this habit and become a better part of myself. Stay tuned and watch to the end, guys, and don't forget to like this video. That will be much appreciated. Guys, from my research, I have discovered 5 habits that limit every forex trader. As long as these 5 habits remain, a forex trader will remain unprofitable. Now, here are the habits, guys. Number 1, discipline. That's always been hard, right from my first day in forex market, that every trader had to be disciplined, but no one has really taken their time to explain what discipline really is. Now, for you to know that this matter of discipline is very important, Mark Douglas had to write a whole book on discipline. In fact, let me shock you. I did a research and I asked ChatGPT a question. I was like, what is the biggest problem a forex trader might be facing? And in one word, ChatGPT replied me and answered: discipline. Which is why we have to pay more attention to this matter. Discipline is made complete for a forex trader when they mention it as self-discipline. Now, Mark Douglas said something. He said, when you gather a group of forex traders that are profitable and you ask them why they have been making money consistently in the market, not making money and losing it back to the market, the answer is self-discipline. And self-discipline has been meant to be divided into 2. There is emotional discipline and there is mental discipline. When these 2 are mastered, a forex trader can win in the forex market continuously. Now, how do we outgrow this habit? As a forex trader, when we approach the market, we are much focused on strategy, and we continue to chase strategy for years and for years and for years, but we neglect the place of self-discipline. Discipline starts by being able to stick to one strategy, having some set of rules that guides your trading, and being able to stick by it. Now, our talk about discipline won't be complete until I get to the next habit, which is self-awareness. Now, there's one talk that's always been constant in the mouth of every forex trader. They will tell you that forex has helped them in a place of self-discovery. There are some habits that you might have had right from when you were growing up, right from when you were very little, that you might not have paid attention to. But now forex will call your attention back to them, and you will begin to select it out for you that, okay, this habit might be working outside forex society, but in forex society you have to improve on them, because this habit will continue to give you loss in the forex market. Now, self-awareness helps you to know if you are the one who gets angry easily, if you are the type who is not much disciplined, because if you are not much disciplined, you will lack consistency. You will lack being able to set rules and follow them strictly, and this will lead to indiscipline, and indiscipline directly gives you loss in the forex market. So this is why you have to be self-aware. Self-awareness is very important. Know the kind of person you are and improve. Go on a journey of self-growth, because self-growth will help you to master forex market by not letting the habit that you have been using to succeed in outside forex market, because forex market is different from the society. So coming to forex market, you have to be able to change your behavior to blend with the market. Market won't change for you. You have to be the one who change for the market. You understand? All right, so moving on, I'm going to take 2 together so that it will be fast. Being impulsive is one of the bad habits that many forex traders have, and being impatient. These two kind of work together. And how do they work together? It's only an impatient man that will be impulsive in their decision. When you see a particular move that looks as if it's going to be a winners, then you just go ahead and jump into it without having to check, okay, does this follow my rules? Now, looking at this now, this had made you to be indisciplined. That's why I said discipline is the most important part of this habit, having rules to follow. So being impulsive will affect your being disciplined. Being impatient will make you to be impulsive in your thinking. Next one now on the line is overconfidence. Do you know, even profitable traders still lose. There was a time that Akindamola said something. He said he took a loss because he was overconfident. He was overconfident rather. And he was like, in fact, I am Akindamola now. I can do this. If forex market does not respect you, no matter who you are, then he took that loss, and it was like, it's because of overconfidence that he took the loss. So overconfidence affects us probably when we have some winning trades over and over again. But when we are in a winning streak, then a trader can lose everything that he has won over time because of one trade and overconfidence. So it's one thing that we also have to look into. Overconfident. I'm mentioning it again because you might be profitable and in one night become unprofitable because of overconfidence. Alright guys, I'm going to crown it all by saying this. Forex trading is a journey of self-discovery. The more you discover yourself, the more you become a perfect person. In fact, forex market shapes us. In fact, it has been shaping me. I came to forex market and realized that I am type of person that does not like to lose. In fact, I will do everything to make sure that I don't lose. And in forex market, you have to give yourself a freedom to lose. If you can't give yourself the freedom to accept loss, you can't stay in the forex market. Another thing forex market has made me to realize is that I can be impatient. Bro, I can be impatient. I can be impulsive in my decision. And I discovered this when I was watching Sam K. And one guy came to, I forgot the name of this guy. He's one of the big guys in the industry, but he's kind of low key. So this guy mentioned something about being impulsive and how impulsiveness affected his career as a trader. And I checked myself, like, I'm also like that. So I'm saying now that forex market has helped me to realize that I'm impatient. I'm not really disciplined. I got angry easily. All this thing I've discovered it through forex, and now I'm working on it so that it won't continue to affect my trading journey and keep me unprofitable. So guys, this is where this video is going to end. And if you find everything that I mentioned in this video to be relating to what you might be having in relation to the market, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to do that to support your guy. I'm just a beginner trader who is full of hope that is getting to the level where those profitable traders are. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you.